Okay, real talk. You're sitting in class and you feel it, that feeling. And you realize your period just started, unexpectedly in the middle of third period with 3 more hours left in the school day. Or you're about to walk into the most important test of the semester, and a headache hits out of nowhere, and you have nothing. Or your hair tie snaps right before lunch, and now your hair is doing something you did not approve of, and you can't fix it. Or you spill something on your shirt in the cafeteria, and you have to spend the rest of the day walking around looking like that. Every single one of these situations has one thing in common. They are completely fixable if you have the right things with you. And that is exactly why every girl needs a school emergency kit. Today, I'm walking you through everything that should be inside yours. 20 items, all of them small enough to fit in a little pouch inside your backpack. All of them capable of saving your entire day when things go sideways. Let's get into it. Item 1, pads or tampons. We are starting here because this is the most important one. Your period does not care about your schedule. It does not care that you have a presentation today or a field trip or picture day. It will show up when it wants to, and the only thing standing between you and a very stressful situation is having something with you. Keep at least 2 in your kit at all times, your preferred product. Pads, tampons, whatever works for your body. And if you ever have an extra, give one to a friend who needs it. That is the kind of girl everyone wants around. Item 2, panty liners. Even on days when your period is not expected, a panty liner is a game changer. Light days, the end of your cycle, or just general freshness throughout a long school day, panty liners handle all of it. They are thin, they are discreet, and they take up almost no space in your kit. This is one of those items you won't think about until you need it. And when you need it, you will be so glad it's there. Item 3, hand sanitizer. School is a high-traffic environment. Doorknobs, desks, shared supplies, cafeteria tables. You are touching things that hundreds of other people have touched all day long. A mini hand sanitizer means you can clean your hands anytime, anywhere, without needing to find a bathroom. Before you eat, after you handle shared materials, anytime you just want to feel clean in the middle of the day. Get a small one with a clip or carabiner so it can attach to the outside of your pouch for easy access. Item 4, wet wipes. Wet wipes are one of the most versatile things in this entire kit. Spill something on your shirt? Wet wipe. Hands are sticky after lunch? Wet wipe. Face feels oily in the middle of the day? Wet wipe. Need to freshen up quickly between classes? Wet wipe. They handle so many situations that nothing else in your kit can handle. Get the individually wrapped ones so they stay moist and don't dry out. A small pack of 5 or 10 takes up almost no space and covers you for weeks. Item 5, tissues. Runny nose in the middle of class? Allergies hitting at the worst time? A friend who needs one because she's having a rough day? Tissues are so simple and so necessary. A small travel pack fits easily in any pouch and lasts a long time. This is one of those things you never think to carry until you desperately need one and realize you don't have it. Item 6, bandages. New shoes giving you blisters? A small cut from a paper edge? A scrape from PE class? A few bandages in your kit cover all of it. You don't need a full first aid kit, just 3 or 4 standard bandages in different sizes. Small enough to forget they're there. Incredibly useful the moment you need one. And if your new shoes are rubbing your heels raw, a bandage on the back of your heel before the blister forms will save you from a miserable rest of the day. Item 7, hair ties. Hair ties disappear. It is one of the great mysteries of life. You had 5 yesterday and today you have none. Keep at least 3 in your emergency kit at all times. Not the nice ones you actually care about, backup ones. Because the moment your hair tie snaps or goes missing in the middle of the day, having a replacement changes everything. Your hair is part of how you carry yourself, and when it's working against you all day, it affects how you feel. A hair tie fixes that in 3 seconds. Item 8, bobby pins. Bobby pins are the unsung heroes of the school emergency kit. Flyaways that won't cooperate, a style that's falling apart by second period, a fringe that keeps getting in your eyes during a test, a broken zipper pull you need to temporarily fix. Bobby pins solve all of it. Keep a small handful in a tiny zip bag or a little tin. They weigh almost nothing, take up almost no space, and come through when you least expect to need them. Item 9, mini hairbrush or comb. Wind, gym class, humidity, a long day. All of these things happen to your hair whether you plan for them or not. A mini brush or travel-sized comb lets you quickly refresh your hair in the bathroom between classes without it looking like you've been through something. Even just smoothing it back into a neat ponytail takes 30 seconds with the right tool. Look for a folding brush or a small detangling comb. They fit perfectly in a small pouch and last forever. Item 10. Lip balm. Dry, chapped lips are uncomfortable and distracting, especially when you're trying to focus on a lesson or feel confident presenting something in front of the class. A small lip balm in your kit means your lips stay comfortable and hydrated all day long. Keep one that's just balm, not glossy, not sticky, so you can reapply quickly and discreetly without thinking about it. Item 11. Mini lotion. Dry hands are uncomfortable, and they look and feel rough, especially in colder months when hand washing dries your skin out constantly. A travel-size lotion, something small enough to fit in your palm, means you can moisturize quickly after washing your hands, after being in air conditioning all day, or anytime your skin feels tight and uncomfortable. Choose something that absorbs quickly and doesn't leave your hands greasy. You don't want to be touching your notes or your phone with product still sitting on your skin. Item 12. Breath mints or gum. Lunch happens. Onions happen. Garlic happens. And then you have a class right after where you have to speak in front of people or sit close to someone you actually like. Breath mints or gum, if your school allows it, are a quiet confidence tool. Pop one after lunch, before a presentation, or anytime you just want to feel fresh. Keep a small tin of mints so they don't get crushed in your bag. It takes up almost no space, and it is one of those things that just makes you feel more confident in close contact situations. Item 13. Portable charger. Your phone is your alarm, your calculator, your way of contacting your parents, your everything. And nothing creates low-key anxiety quite like watching your battery drop toward zero with hours left in the school day. A small portable charger, even a slim one with one charge capacity, is worth every penny. Charge it overnight, keep it in your kit, and forget about it until you need it. It has saved more stressful situations than almost anything else on this list. Item 14. Charging cable. The portable charger means nothing without the cable. Keep your charging cable, the right one for your phone, coiled neatly in your kit at all times. Not your only one, a dedicated backup that lives in your emergency pouch and never leaves it. Because borrowing someone else's cable and hoping it works with your phone is a gamble you don't want to take when your battery is at 3%. Item 15. Mini deodorant. PE class. A warm day. Nerves before a presentation. Running late and rushing to class. All of these things make you sweat, and a quick swipe of deodorant in the bathroom between classes takes 10 seconds and completely resets how fresh and comfortable you feel for the rest of the day. Travel-sized deodorants are inexpensive and fit perfectly in a small pouch. Keep one in your kit and replace it when it runs out. This is non-negotiable. Item 16. Safety pins. A button pops off. A strap breaks. A hem comes undone. A neckline gaps in a way it definitely should not. Safety pins fix all of it temporarily, and they do it invisibly. Keep 3 or 4 different sizes in your kit. They are tiny, they weigh nothing, and the moment you need one, you will understand exactly why they made this list. Item 17. Small sewing kit. For the situations where a safety pin is not quite enough, a mini travel sewing kit, the kind that comes in a tiny case with a needle, a few colors of thread, and a small pair of scissors, handles clothing emergencies that need an actual fix rather than a temporary solution. You don't need to know how to sew well. A simple stitch to hold something together until you get home is all this needs to do. And when you're the girl in the bathroom who can actually fix something, everyone will remember it. Item 18. Healthy snack. Hunger affects everything. Your ability to focus, your mood, your energy, your patience. A small healthy snack in your kit, a granola bar, a pack of nuts, a piece of fruit, means that when your energy crashes between classes or you didn't have time for a proper breakfast, you have something to get you through. Choose something that won't melt, won't crush, and won't spoil quickly. Replace it as soon as you eat it so your kit is always stocked. Item 19. Emergency cash. The vending machine when you forgot your lunch. The school store when you need a pen. A friend who needs bus fare to get home safely. A small amount of emergency cash, even just a few dollars, tucked into your kit covers situations that your phone and your card sometimes can't. Keep it folded small and put it in a zip pocket inside your pouch so it stays safe and you're not digging for it in public. Item 20, small mirror. Something in your teeth after lunch. Your eyeliner shifted. Your hair needs a quick assessment before you walk into class. A small compact mirror means you can check yourself quickly and discreetly without hunting for a bathroom with good lighting. A tiny mirror takes up almost no space and handles the moments where you just need a quick look before you walk into a room. Because walking in confident that you look the way you think you look, that matters more than most people admit. 20 items, all of them small, all of them light, all of them capable of turning a potentially terrible day into a totally manageable one. Everything you need to handle whatever school throws at you, all in one little pouch inside your backpack. Now here's your challenge. If you had to build your own emergency kit today, right now, with what you already have at home, what is the first thing you would put inside? Drop it in the comments. I genuinely want to know. And if you want more tips like this, real, useful, nobody told me this kind of content, make sure you subscribe because we are just getting started. See you in the next one.